Sidu bilenge la ukode tu.
No, this one gives lots of milk there.
Sorry?
A lot. But what is wrong with the other teeth?
I think when she had the baby, it was smoking one side, that's why.
Problem?
Yeah.
Sick?
No. She had the...
Tight?
No, the baby was drinking one side, that's why. Yeah. Ahí le quedó,